How are you? I hope you are well. Today I will show you how you can add a new post on WordPress dashboard. So for this, you should go to post section here on WordPress, and you have to click a new post, something like that, and like you have to do any title, like just copy any title. So this is important, and then the important thing is description, and just copy paste your description. There is a something here for heading 1, heading 2. It's for table of content if you want to add this feature. And the important thing is about the image, banner image for the post. Then tag will be some 3 or 4 tag. You can do comma for separate tags. So you can see I added 2 tag. Okay, and category is very important. So if you on select any category, it will go to uncategorized option automatically. But if you want to click this category, then it will be added here. So this is the basic thing I know, but if you use rankman plugin, then thing will be something like change, like meta description, meta tag. I am not expert on this part. I told you earlier. I hope this video will help you, and just need to publish the post, and the post publish, and this is the post link here. You can see, and this is the design of post page, image, title, and description. Okay, hope this video will help you for basic WordPress post on live. Thank you.